Yo, what's up, everyone? Let's talk cash. Or rather, let's talk about getting cash. Specifically, can you get money from someone who doesn't use Cash App? I know. In this digital age, it feels like everyone's on some kind of app. Cash App, Venmo, Zelle, the list goes on. But what if your cool aunt, or that super generous friend who's always hooking you up, doesn't have any of that tech stuff? Can they still send you some love? Let's break it down. First off, Cash App is pretty flexible. You can actually send money to someone even if they don't have an account. All you need is their email or phone number. Pretty cool, right? They'll get a notification, and if they want the cash, they'll have to create a Cash App account. But here's the kicker, they have 14 days to do it. If they don't, that money is coming back to you. So, if you're expecting a quick payday, this might not be the fastest option. But what if they really don't want to download an app? Or maybe they don't have a smartphone at all? Don't worry, we've got options. Traditional methods like good old-fashioned cash are always there. You can meet up, exchange bills, and boom, you've got your money. But let's be real, carrying around cash can be risky. Plus, it's not the most convenient option. Another classic is a money order. You can buy one at the post office, grocery store, or even some drugstores. It's like a paper check. You fill it out, give it to the person, and they can cash it at a bank or other financial institution. But be warned, money orders can have fees, and cashing them might involve another fee. So, do the math before you go this route. Then there are wire transfers. These are usually used for bigger amounts of money, and they're pretty fast. You'll need some information from the person you're getting money from, like their bank account number and routing number. But again, there are fees involved, and it might take a day or two for the money to show up in your account. Now, let's talk about some other options that are gaining popularity. Peer-to-peer payment apps like Zelle and Venmo are similar to Cash App, but with some differences. Some banks even offer their own P2P services. Check with your bank to see if they have one. And let's not forget about gift cards. While they might not be ideal for everyone, they can be a convenient way to send money, especially for smaller amounts. You can buy gift cards for various retailers and give them to the person. They can then use the card to make purchases or convert it to cash, depending on the card. So, there you have it. Plenty of ways to get money, even if the person sending it isn't tech-savvy. But remember, each method has its pros and cons. Consider the amount of money, how fast you need it, and any potential fees before choosing the best option for you. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time. Let me know in the comments if you have any other questions about sending or receiving money. Peace out.